Our class teacher is very good at teaching. Our class teacher is very good at teaching. Everyone loves to sing in the classroom. Everyone loves to sing in the classroom. Where is my book? Where is my book? Complete your breakfast. Complete your breakfast. Think about yourself. Think about yourself. I am not going anywhere. I am not going anywhere. He is playing all day. He is playing all day. She is not listening to me. She is not listening to me. We are going to the principal's cabin. We are going to the principal's cabin. My father is a businessman. My father is a businessman. His brother is coming to his school. His brother is coming to his school. Let's finish the task on time. Let's finish the task on time. How long will you stay there? How long will you stay there? Mark my words. Mark my words. I want to help you. I want to help you. She is coming tomorrow. She is coming tomorrow. Mother is feeling down today. Mother is feeling down today. We have to help that old man. We have to help that old man. I cannot understand. I cannot understand. I am going to play cricket with my friends. I am going to play cricket with my friends.